Hi all, so this is going to be a quick demo of our DKAN Metadata Quality module, and this is a Drupal module for DKAN sites meant to audit the quality and completeness of metadata on a data site. So essentially you can queue up a scan of the site, we'll check the metadata on all the data sets and then give you a report of certain data sets that are missing certain fields. So if I come to the dashboard here, at the bottom there's a button that can queue up an audit. We'll click run there, and then we've got to go in and trigger a system cron so that can run in the background. And we'll check back in just a second and see if that completed. Alright, so we have an additional run completed here, and the most recent run will automatically populate on the dashboard here. And it'll give you a score range for each of the data sets, show you any that are missing fields for certain categories, and we'll give you some links here to the lowest scoring data sets. And we can see this particular one is missing some keywords and data dictionary fields, and we can actually generate proposals using AI agents to do this. So if we go into draft data dictionary, we can hit generate proposal, and that will connect to a model behind the scenes, generate a proposal for us, and then actually give us the ability to review. So here's proposal for a new data dictionary. It's gone through all of the fields in this particular data set and suggested a title, field types, formats, and a description for each. So we can go ahead and approve this and apply it as is, reject it if we decide we don't want to apply it, or we actually have the ability to edit in place if we just want to change one or two things before hitting save. And if we decide we change something we want to undo, we can reset back to the original values. So we'll hit save edits here, and then approve and apply. We can add a note if we want to save that for later. And looks like those have been applied. So if we come back to the same data set, we can also draft keywords, and this will be a similar process to the data dictionary. Our agent will suggest certain fields to add or remove for the keywords. We can approve as is. We can edit before if we want to change some things. Hit save. All right, looks like that applied. And in addition to scanning the whole data set at once and running behind the scenes, we also have the ability to run a single audit at a time, so we can pull up an individual data set page and re-audit, and this will run in the background and give us a report just for the single data set. All right, I think that's about all for now. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll do some more soon.